everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. This is Ferrari's first ever SUV, and it's a truly stunning vehicle. It's packed with power, performance, and luxury, and it's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Exterior: the Purosangue has a sleek, aerodynamic design that's both stylish and aggressive. It's based on the Ferrari Roma platform, and it has a long, sloping hood, a wide stance, and a sharp rear end. The Purosangue is available in a variety of colors, including Rosso Casa, Bianco Italia, and Grigio Silverstone. Interior: the Purosangue's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It's luxurious and well-appointed, with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The driver's seat is positioned low to the ground, giving the driver a sporty feel. The Purosangue seats up to 5 passengers, and there's plenty of space for cargo in the rear. Performance: the Purosangue is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 715 horsepower and 520 pounds-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The Purosangue can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds and has a top speed of 203 miles per hour. Technology: the Purosangue is packed with technology, including a 16.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10.25-inch head-up display. The Purosangue also comes standard with a variety of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is an impressive vehicle that offers a unique blend of power, performance, luxury, and technology. It's sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers, from those who want a sporty SUV to those who want the ultimate in luxury. Pricing: the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue starts at $399,995. Thanks for watching.